Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Do you like peach cobbler? I love it. We are going to make a super easy peach cobbler today. I'm using a pint of peaches that I have processed. Now folks, you could use fresh peaches. Use 2.5 cups. But if you want to use canned peaches, then that's perfectly fine too. So I'm going to start by letting them drain while I'm preparing the batter mixture. I have flour. Now folks, I don't have any self-rising flour, which I normally use, so I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. I had all-purpose flour, and I'm using a teaspoon of baking powder. Making sure I don't have any big lumps in here. Okay. So whenever you use baking powder, mix it up really good first. That way you know everything is stirred together and evenly distributed. Okay. Now that we have that in there, we're going to mix sugar. Okay, guys. As always, I will give you the instructions in the description box, so we don't have to worry about the amounts being written down. Okay. Butter. And milk. Whatever kind of milk you have on hand. This happens to be whole milk. You can use 2%. You can use half evaporated milk, half water, whatever works for you. And we're just going to mix that batter up. And we're going to put about a teaspoon of cinnamon in the batter mix. I love cinnamon. To me, a cobbler isn't a cobbler, or a peach cobbler I should say, isn't a good cobbler without cinnamon, but that's just my personal opinion. And about a teaspoon or so of vanilla. Okay, we're going to mix this up. When I was young, my sister and I would fight over who was going to lick the spoon whenever Mom would make homemade stuff. But man, that smells good right there. Okay. I'm going to dump my peaches in there. And I'm going to sprinkle, spread them out a little bit more. Some sugar on top of there. Folks, those peaches did have some sugar in there, but not as sweet as what it needs to be for a cobbler. So that's why I chose to add some additional sugar to that. Alright, we got this all mixed up. I have my oven preheated, guys. And we're going to pour this over here. And this is going to be one of your better cobblers. Fast, easy, simple. Guys, to be honest with you, that's what I have to prepare most of the time. I don't have a lot of time for big elaborate meals. We're super busy with the farm, and that's just how it is. But I still like good food. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it, and I'll show you the end result. I stood back so my glasses didn't steam up this time. Oh my goodness. That looks good. Okay. This is the way you check to see if it's done, guys. See how it springs back and it's brown around the edges? So therefore, we've got a cobbler. Look how it's bubbling out that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Folks, this smells so good. Just look at that. How many people wish they were here to have a piece of this right now? Sorry, but you'll have to make your own. This is really good with some vanilla bean ice cream on top. Let me tell you. But I hope you appreciate this video. Like it, give me a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. Share it all over your social media. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. It helps a lot. And guys, I'll see you on that next video.